All right, want to do a quick unboxing of my new PSA Jackal. This is the 556. It's the only one that's out right now. Just picked it up from the FFL today. Looks pretty good. Let's see what this thing feels like, what it looks like. So obviously got the folding brace. Nice. So let's see, other than the gun, obviously you got the typical lock. They give you one PMag. Looks like that's a Gen 2 or MOE, whatever they call it. Yep, that works. Got plenty of those. So yeah, just the gun, a little instruction manual here, the lock and the mag. Let's see if the manual tells you. Oh, look at that special Jackal sticker. But yeah, let's see what's the manual have. So components identification, yeah, obviously unloading. Disassembly instructions. All right, I'll have to check that out since this is a little different than AR, which is what I'm most familiar with. Yep, I think I know the basic components. Just telling you how to operate, basic operation. I think if you're familiar with an AR, you probably know that already. Breaking down the upper lower, how to remove the bolt. That is a little different. I guess it looks like it's more similar to an AK. And how to remove the charging handle. Again, a little different, at least different than what I'm familiar with. Bolt carrier group disassembly. Yeah, kind of pretty typical for an AR style bolt since, yeah, I mean, it's still using a bolt similar to an AR. Basics, yeah, okay. Yep. Nothing groundbreaking there, you know, pretty much to be expected, but yeah, obviously gonna be a little tricky here with just one hand, but oh, looks like it's actually got the EPT or nickel boron trigger. Nice. It saves me having to swap that out. I was actually thinking about doing that since I have a couple extras. But yeah, got the nice folding brace, charging handle, which is A and B. Well, that's interesting. It looks like the finish on the charging handle is a little, doesn't look the greatest. Almost looks like a little surface rust or just poor finishing. Kind of reminds me of using was it Alumablack when you just don't do it very well, or sorry, Permablue. Reminds me of Permablue when you just don't do it very well. I don't know. I'll have to give it a wipe. Give it, you know, throw some lube on there. See if that cleans it up enough. If not, I'm sure it's not going to be a huge deal. Yeah, actually, you can kind of see on the receiver itself a little bit of that. I don't know if I want to call it rust, but it looks like rust, just kind of rubbing off there. But yeah, we'll give it a wipe down, clean it up. Not a big, you know, probably not a big deal. But yeah, I mean, the lower itself is pretty standard. What you expect is basic, you know, PSA, you know, AR lower. And of course, you got the Jackal logo on this side. Let me flip it around here. So yeah, so you got the Jackal logo on this side. Yeah, little low profile shell deflector. Looks like that's an aluminum piece that's just bolted on there. Yeah, the handguard, clearly you're able to take the lower part of the handguard off. I guess it kind of reminds me of the Voltor uppers, where you know, the Voltor monolithic uppers, where you pull the lower part of the handguard off. I guess kind of like LMT MRPs also. Pull the lower part off, and that's how you access the barrel nut. But if I remember correctly, these barrels are not standard AR barrels. They're I think they have a proprietary extension, but don't quote me on that. So they do have an adjustable gas system. It's a 4-position. And supposedly this is, you can do this by hand. Let me try to show you guys this without, let's see. So I think that's the open position, most open, and then, okay. So open, 2, 3, and then 4, so that'd be the least gas. Which I will be testing that out. We'll be playing around with that, trying with a couple different suppressors. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm definitely excited about this. I've been waiting for this for quite a while. So I will get out to the range this weekend and see how it shoots, see how it feels. I'll probably I'll break this down and do a little bit more, you know, detailed view. Probably share some pictures here as well. Just for everyone's curiosity, since I haven't seen much about these other than, you know, some of the gathering videos and some of the SHOT Show videos, but you know, they haven't really pulled them apart and shown much as far as the, you know, details go. So I'll try to do that just to let everyone see what it looks like. I know one of the other questions that I saw posted a lot was kind of a, you know, will it work with different lowers? Looks like they have this little cap piece on the back that supposedly threads into the receiver extension part on a standard lower. They do specify that it only works with mil-spec lowers, so I might out of curiosity just see if it'll work with like a Aero M4E1 lower. But I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, that's what we got for now. You know, I got a couple things planned for this. Already got an optic on the way, but definitely gonna take to the range this weekend. I don't know if I'll throw irons on it or if I'll just pull an optic off something else. But yeah, we'll see how it does with a couple different types of ammo. Probably bring a couple different suppressors for it. I just gotta throw the you know, my Griffin taper mount on the end here. But otherwise, I'm not gonna do anything else, you know, to it yet. I just want to take the range and see how it works first. So yeah, so that's it. If you guys have any questions, throw them down in the comments. Yeah, that's it. Take care, guys.